Hello everyone, this is Mohan Raghavan. Today topic is percentage and percentile. If we are new to the machine learning and statistics, we will be seeing these terminologies frequently. It looks like similar, but however it's not. So we are going to see the difference between the percentage and percentile in this video. As we know that percentage we have been using from long time. So a percentage is a mathematical number that is written out of a total of 100. So whatever may be your total value, but if you are considers the total value is 100, then what would be your expected value or the actual value? The percentage will be preceded with the percent sign as you see in the screen. We will see about the percentile little more. A percentile is a percentage of values found below a specific value, and it is mainly relative to the others. So that means that whereas percentage you will have only one value and it will be considered total value as 100. But however in percentile it will be calculated against all the people in the same group and you will be ranked among the group. A percentile is a measure used in statistics indicating the value below which a given percentage of observations in a group of observations fall. In other words, you can simply consider the value below which a percentage of data falls. So however, definition make something difficult, but we will understand by the example. So let's say 75th percentile on a test is 160. What does it mean is, if you have scored 160, then you can tell like you have scored better than 75% of the people that took the same test. So among the group, your mark is better than 75% of the people. The same way you can consider another way also. If your score is 160, that means that 25% of people are above than you among the total group. Here you can see the simple example about the percentile. If you consider this data, the total number of students will be taking exam and the total marks is 80. And if you consider the percentage, it will be easy because if you consider the total mark as 100, what would be your marks? So that will be your percentage and you can see the percentage as well. Whereas in percentile, you can see different values when compared to the percentage. Let's take the example of Ben. So he has scored 75. So his percentile is 100%. So that means that 100% of the people are below than him. So that means he is the topper. The same way you can consider the Ken. Ken has scored 29 marks out of 80. However, the percentage is 36.25, but the percentile is 0. That means that 0% of people are below than him. That means he is the lowest. In the same way, you can see other people also. The marks may be different and percentage may be different, whereas percentile will be different. So here we can clearly understand that percentage is based on the each value considering the total value as 100. But whereas percentile will be considered with all the people in the same group and you will be ranked among those group. Some notes about the percentile. Let's say if your score is low and same time others also having the less score, that means that very less people will be lower than you. So that time it will not impact your percentile. But let's consider your score is high. At the same time, others also got the same level of high scores. So that means almost all people in the same group. So that means that you will have very less people than below than you. So that means you may get the less percentile in spite of high marks. So it's overall about the ranking system when you speak about the percentile. If how many people are below than you, so that will be considered as your percentile. When you come with Python, so we have the library called NumPy. So in the NumPy, we have the percentile method or percentile function. Here you will be sending the total number of list or total number of marks or total number of data. Then you will be asking what is your percentile. So the percentile value you will be sending. For example, here we will have the one dimensional array which has the values of 22, 7, 1, 34. And by using this array, I am just asking the 50th percentile, 25th percentile, and 75th percentile. So it is giving 30th percentile, for example, 30th percentile or 25th percentile, it will be giving a value. So that means that 30% of people or 7 is the 30th percentile. So that means that below that you have 30% of data. If you mention 2.0, so that is the 25th percentile. That means that 25% of people are below than 2. If you take 75th percentile, so its value is 20. So that means that 75% of people are below than the 20th value. So this is all about the percentile and percentage. So thanks for watching and have a great day.